Hey folks, how's it going? So, today I'm gonna talk about open source intelligence gathering. So, some of you may already know what is open source intelligence gathering, and some of you don't. So, let me give you some introduction. This is a very first step in penetration test. So, information that collected from public sources such as those available on the internet called open source intelligence. There are many information gathering tools available. I'm going to talk about the most complete open source intelligence gathering tool, Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot has multiple scanning options and modules. This tool automatically queries over 100 public data sources to gather intelligence on IP address, domain names, email ID, and more. So let's install it first, then I'll show you how to use it. Open the terminal and clone Spider tool from GitHub repository. I'll leave the link in the description below. Afterward, go to Spiderfoot directory by using cd command. Now we install all the requirements by following command. Now let's start the tool by following command /sf.py. Okay. Wait a second, I have to mention the IP address and port number. So type command /sf.py -l 127.0.0.1 :5001. Spiderfoot has started. Now to use it in a web user interface, click here and open it into a browser. I performed 2 scans before here to test this tool, so let me delete these old ones and we'll do a new scan. To perform your scan, click on a new scan. Now here you can see 2 dialog box, scan name, and beneath that scan target. Here you can mention your target's name, phone number, email ID, IP address. You can mention both IP address version and domain name. So basically you can scan about your target anything. Now here you can manage your scan according to your need. Here you can select or deselect the data according to your requirements. Now these are modules. Some of them are locked. To unlock them, you need to provide API keys in the settings. Okay, now let's perform some scan. Type your scan name. I'm going to scan an email address, so I'm writing email, and then in scan target box provide email address. Afterward, click scan button. Scanning has started. You can check the details here. You can monitor your scan results as in the graph as well. Another good thing about this tool is you can run multiple scan too. So let's try to scan phone number. Click on a new scan, scan name, and then type phone number here. Once the scan starts, you can check status for both scan here on this tab. As you can see, our both scans are running. One more thing I forgot to show you. These are settings here. You can import or export your API keys, and there are other settings that you can configure it according to your needs. Okay, our both scans are finished now. You can export your results from here. There are not much information, but because this is just a demonstration, so I have not configured it properly and I haven't provided API keys. If I have provided API keys, then there will be much more information than this. So to conclude this, I would say Spiderfoot is a first stage information gathering tool. It is loaded with several modules, configuration, and OSINT sources to assist in the information gathering process. It saves much more time by providing an automated scan of a number of open source resources. So try out this tool and let me know if you have any question. That's it for today's video, fellas. Hope you learned something valuable today. If you do, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.